The differences between the three types of whiskies we combine to produce our unique blend lie in the three grain variants used in the preparation of our wash. For our malt whisky, we use only malted barley. For our pot still whisky, we combine malted and unmalted barley. And finally, for our grain whisky, we use corn. The first step in preparing the barley for our malt whisky is to steep it in huge vats of water. The grain absorbs the moisture and comes back to life. Large areas of moist barley are spread generously across the malting floor, where it is ploughed and turned, allowing the grain to aerate. Little rootlets begin to break through the husk of the grain as it awakens. When the rootlets grow to 2/3 of the length of the grain, we stop the process by drying the grain in kilns. This traps all the additional starch that has grown within the grains during the malting process. In Ireland, we use smokeless fuel to dry the barley, whereas in parts of Scotland, maltsters use peat, giving their whisky a very different flavour to Irish whisky. In each case, the grain is milled to free the starch from within and mixed with hot water in the mash tun. The enzymes within the grain react with the warm water, causing the starch from the grain to convert to sugars. This sugary liquid called wort percolates through the grain, extracting all its goodness. The resultant cloudy liquid is cooled slightly and moved to the wash backs. These large wooden containers hold thousands of litres of wash. With the addition of yeast, the wort becomes alive as it begins to ferment. During fermentation, the sugars are converted to alcohol and CO2, creating a strong sour beer called wash.